This man is trapped.
Oh, my head.
Where am I? Is this a hotel? Hello? Is anyone here? Room 404? But I just passed this. What's happening to the lights? Exit! Finally! Open! Please open! Get me out! I made it. No, that's impossible.
Every time he runs down the corridor, the lights change. And somehow, he ends up back where he started. Room 404. But here's the twist. None of this is real. There's no actor, hotel, or camera. I simply described my idea to Lumina AI, BytePlus's official AI visual creation platform, and it built the script, the shots, the lighting, and the final cut. Everything you're watching. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how it did it. And stay till scene 6, because there's one shot in this film that a real camera physically cannot take. No crew, no rig, no budget. It just isn't possible. That's the shot that changed my mind about all of this. Before the tutorial, here's why AI filmmaking and commercial creation usually feel frustrating. Because the workflow is scattered across different tools. Characters change, scenes stop matching, and camera movement feels like luck. That's exactly Lumina's canvas brings that entire process into one place. So, quickly, before we open anything, what is Lumina? BytePlus's official AI visual creation platform, new users also receive free generation credits after signing up, so you can start testing the platform without paying up front. One of the biggest updates is Seedance 2.5 available in Lumina. It can generate up to 30 seconds of continuous video in a single pass, use as many as 50 reference files, produce native 4K output, and let you edit specific parts of a finished clip without regenerating the entire video. Seedance 2.0 is also available, but Lumina is much more than a video generator. For images, you can use models such as Seedream 5.0, GPT Image 2, and several other leading options. The platform also includes ready-made AI apps, templates, and different creative workflows. Agent mode is useful for creators who want complete music videos, explainers, or social content without manually handling every script and visual. It handles the script, shots, visuals, character consistency, music, and voiceover. Today, however, we'll focus mainly on Canvas. Canvas is a node-based creative workspace where you can connect text, images, videos, characters, and scenes to build an entire project with greater control. Simply open Canvas, and you'll find pre-built templates for brand videos, UGC ads, product showcases, explainers, comedy scenes, anime videos, and much more. If one of these templates matches your goal, you can simply clone it and customize it. But for this demonstration, I'm going to create a completely new Canvas project from scratch. It may look empty, but think of it as your digital film studio. The plus icon gives you different nodes for text, images, videos, and more. And most importantly, it includes Director Desk, a powerful feature I'll explain later in the video. Let's start with script planning. I entered my full idea as one paragraph and clicked Generate. In about a minute, Canvas turned it into a complete 7-scene storyboard, each with its own written description. Each scene gets a smart duration. Mine were around 12 to 15 seconds. And here's the part that saves you hours. Canvas auto writes a storyboard prompt and a separate video prompt for every scene. This is a shooting script, generated in about a minute. But a strong storyboard is only useful if the character remains consistent across every shot. And this is where most AI films fall apart. Canvas handles it differently. It created an asset list for my lead character, the man, showing the same face, outfit, and appearance from multiple angles. Every scene uses this exact reference, so he stays consistent throughout the film. You also get real camera controls. Instead of simply typing "make it cinematic," you can choose the camera, lens, and aperture. I used an Arricam LT with a 125mm lens at f1.4 to create a soft background and shallow depth of field. Remember the other name I told you to hold on to? Director Desk. This is for the shot you can picture exactly and can't describe. It gives you control over composition, camera movement, and keyframes before you generate anything. You set where the camera starts, where it ends, and it moves the way you told it to. Push-ins, turns, reveals. Placed, not requested. I'll be honest, for this film I barely needed it, because the storyboard already matched what was in my head. But the first time a shot comes out almost right and you can't work out why, this is the panel you'll live in. So, once the characters are locked, Canvas creates a 3x3 storyboard sheet for every scene, just like a real production. Each panel showed the timing, shot type, and even short dialogue lines. I used GPT Image 2, along with Lumina's panoramic creation mode, to keep the corridor consistent across every scene. This step matters because you can fix weak shots before spending credits on animation. Here, you also get advanced features like Repaint, Erase, and Camera Control for product advertisements. Lighting Master is especially useful. Inside the same canvas, you can adjust the lighting, correct exposure and color, add cinematic highlights, and apply professional color grading, all without using a real camera setup. And once every shot looks right, the project moves from planning into production. Each storyboard scene is sent to Seedance 2.0, and this is where batch run becomes useful. Instead of generating one clip at a time, batch run creates all 7 scenes in parallel, with no queue or waiting room. For ads, the same workflow can generate multiple versions of one product spot with different lighting setups in a single run. That's the difference between simply generating clips and actually directing a film. Because every scene remains separate, you can trim, edit, or regenerate individual clips without restarting the entire project. And once everything looks right, there's no need to switch to another editing tool. Simply use the video splicing node to connect each clip in order, combine them into one complete film, and download it directly from the board. One paragraph became 7 scenes, 10 shots, one consistent character, and a complete psychological thriller.
Oh, my head.
Where am I? Is this a hotel? Hello? Is anyone here? Room 404? But I just passed this. What's happening to the lights?
And to be straight with you, this doesn't replace a film crew. What it replaces is the 20 ideas you never shot because a crew was the only way to test them. That's what's actually changed here. If you want to try Lumina, the link is in the description and pinned comment. New users receive free generation credits as soon as they register, so you can start without paying anything. There's also a limited time bonus event offering up to 50% off monthly plans and up to 7 minutes of free 480p video generation with the Seedance 2.5 model. With Seedance 2.5, you can generate videos up to 30 seconds long, use as many as 50 reference files, export in native 4K, and edit specific areas without regenerating the entire clip. And let me know in the comments, would you use it to make a film or an ad? And if you want a full breakdown of Agent Mode, which creates an entire video from one sentence, comment below. Thanks for watching.